Yo, what's going on, guys? Yo, what's going on, Max Programming? How are you? Welcome back to the server. Welcome back to the stream. When will we be doing more vids on the MC panel? Soon. We're just playing around with a little bit of things. I definitely want to continue it, 100%. So, going back to the design. We last left off on yesterday when I was working on the design for this one. So we agreed that we were going to go with this. It looks pretty cool. Yo, what's up, Lynx? How's it going? Yo, what's up, Jason Cruiser? How are you? Lime Lek. You should just ask your question on the server, and someone should be able to respond to you. Yo, what's going on, Sahan? How are you, man? I'm doing good, man. Just chilling. Just chilling. Okay. So I just want to give me one sec. So I want to give a quick shout out to my moderator Yadibolt for designing the logo over here. Let me just show you. This is the logo that he was working on. And the original colors were, I think, gray and white, but I changed it up to orange. And honestly, I think it looks pretty sick. I don't know about you guys, but I think it looks pretty sick. But yeah, Yadi will design this. So if you guys need designs, you can reach out to him and see if he's doing any commissions or something. I don't know if he is, but you can reach out to him about it. What's the font? That is something that you would have to ask Yadibolt. So yeah, man, I think it looks pretty fucking sick if you ask me. Yo, Z Luppin, what's up, man? It's Wither MC. How are you? How's it going? What am I going to do today? We're going to continue the React application. But yeah, so I'm going to export this into a vector. And then I'm going to bring it into the website. I'm not sure how well it will integrate with the website, but I'm pretty sure it should. Like, I wonder if let me see if I can do something real quick. Try to paste this in. Can I paste this in? Well, I can. So, let me go ahead and hide this layer real quick. By the way, what did you build in the last stream? I built a simple React app. We didn't do so much yet, but we are going to do more in this video, so don't worry. Not sure why, this frame. Here we go. Yo, this looks sick. Am I going to put it around a circle? I don't think so. I don't know. Can you explain better what's that React app? This is going to be for a Discord dashboard for one of my new bots that I'm going to work on later on. But this honestly looks very sick, if you ask me. Like, the logo itself just looks really good. Code. I can probably move this up here. Yo, what's up, Commonly? Welcome back, man. How's it going? Glad to see you. Let me see if I can move this up here, maybe. Have it go above here. Maybe get rid of this text. Let's see how this looks like. The D is a little bit too tall. Let me try to minimize this a little bit. Oh, there we go. I think that looks sick, if you ask me. What program am I using? I'm using Figma right now. I'm using Figma. That's the name of the, that's the program I'm using for designing. But yeah, it looks really sick, if you ask me. And it is free. Yes, it's free. Figma. Figma. But yeah, shout out to Yadibolt for making this logo. Really appreciate it from him. Alright, so what I want to do in this stream is I want to focus on the UI over here. So if you look at Mi6's dashboard, they have a very similar layout, but we're obviously not going to copy their exact layout. We're going to just, you know, base it off of it. So they have something that looks like this. Ours is going to be a lot more different. Okay? So basically, let me go ahead and open up the code. And we're going to go ahead and design it. I think we should probably do it in dashboard. Or maybe not dashboard. We'll probably do a menu page. So there's going to be multiple pages, obviously. So let me open up Figma again. Let me zoom out a little bit. So this is going to be one page over here. So I should probably group this together. It's this rectangle. Okay. Does it just give you the code? No, so this is just designing. This is just mock-up. Sometimes it's very hard to kind of just think of a design out of nowhere. So you need to use a tool like this to design something just right on the fly. You still need to actually code it. But when you have an actual design in front of you, it's much easier to actually, you know, set everything up. You could have green for invite to that server and orange for managing the dashboard. What if I did this? What if I did this? What if I did this? Good idea, Sahan. But what if I did something like this? Let me minimize this a little bit. Okay. View dashboard. The font will probably have to be a little bit smaller. I'm not sure. So let me try making this 24. Probably make it a little bigger. 28. Okay, I think that should work. And I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Whoops. Move that here. That here. And then what I want to do is this one, remove, what should I call it? Remove bot. Delete. Something like that, I don't know. Delete. Or I'll probably do this. Settings. Dashboard. Because I don't want to make these buttons too big. And then right over here, this one will be remove or something like that. I don't know. Settings or delete, something like that. And then this color can be a red. Maybe like a light red, something like this. So that'll actually make the bot leave the server. Okay. And then, so like Sahan said, if the bot is not on the server, we can do something like invite. So we can have the same shape up there, same color. Whoa. Down here. And we have to bring this up here, I think. Yeah, there we go. Invite. There we go. You said make the what a little bit more wide? The button. Make it a little bit more wide. Yo, what's up? Welcome back, Simply J-Dog. How are you? Dude, I sound dead? No, I'm just not really talking that much. Move this here. Here we go. I think this looks good. I definitely think this looks good. How do you connect this dashboard to another file? What do you mean by connecting it to another file? Well, yeah, so we're working on the commands later. We'll work on it later. And over here, these are going to be the profile pictures. Okay, okay. I think I can probably get around with this. Let me move this a little bit. Make that a little bit better. Let's give these a little bit different icons, maybe make it look more, because this thing looks dead right now. Like, we need to give it some nice color. Something like that. Something like that, maybe. Everything. What do you mean by everything will be in the folder? You mean in the React app? Yeah. A lot of noise in the background. Yeah, that's my air conditioner, man. I don't have central air. I have an actual air conditioner. So unfortunately, you guys have to listen to that. I really wish I mean, first of all, I wish it wasn't hot right now because it's summer, obviously. So, you know, in the summer, you kind of need to open up an air conditioner. Otherwise, you're going to, like, it's going to be very hot in your room. Central is a scam. I mean, I would just like an air conditioner that is quiet. This one is just ridiculously loud, but I'm able to sleep through it in the nighttime, surprisingly. I have a better idea. Let me do this. Try to move this a little bit. Or I can move this a little bit. Okay, there we go. Are you just mapping it how you want to look? Yeah, so I'm mapping it out right now, and then I'm going to actually implement it. Is the React.js for the dashboard? Yes, it is. Wicked Piglet. What are you working on today? We're working on the menu. So this is the menu page. So let me see if can I label this? Page. Let me organize this a little bit. This thing's a whole mess. I thought you changed your name. Changed my YouTube name? I did change my YouTube name. Okay. Maybe, do you guys think the background should have some kind of wavy SVG? What do you guys think? It looks too dull. Probably give it like a nice SVG color type of thing, maybe. Particle.js. I could use something like that. We'll worry about that later, though. We can do like maybe a gradient, maybe linear gradient. Something like that, I don't know. Nothing of importance right now that we have to worry so much about. They have a React version as well, but I've used in the past. Okay, I'll look into it. I kind of want this green. I kind of want to change this green color a little bit. I think I might switch it to this, make it a little bit brighter, because these are like bright colors, not neon, but like they're a little bit brighter. So I want to kind of like change it up a little bit, maybe something like this, maybe. I think this would be okay. Oops. Okay, there we go. Alright, awesome. Alright, so I think that should be it. Let me actually do this as well. One sec. I need to group all of these things together. This is gonna be so annoying. Alright, actually, let me do this. Is it there? Alright. Here we go. It doesn't look that bad. Alright, cool. Wavy background. I just don't want to go too much on the waves because they are nice, but I don't want to go too much on the waves. Like, don't get me wrong, they are very nice, but I don't want to overdo them. I think we're okay. I think we're okay for now. All right, I'm gonna actually implement this now. So this is gonna be very fun to implement. Okay. So let's create a new page, and a new page. Okay, so now that I have a good idea of what I want the page to look like, this is going to be a piece of cake. So let's go here, and let me actually open up Chakra UI documentation. Okay, so just copy the structure, page. So we're gonna give it a min height of 100 VH. Alright, so for now, let me see. What's the background color that I want to use? Probably use the same one as this one. So the same background color will be matching this one. And I should probably use a CSS variable. I need to pass down props more, but I never do. Yeah, I feel like you should only pass down props if you really need to. React.js, yes, React.js. Yo, what's up, Rohan? How are you? My lol kindness Roblox. Yo, what's up, man? How are you? You need music, not gonna lie. I have music playing, but you guys can't hear it because I don't want to get copyrighted. But I know there are non-copyrighted songs that I could play. I should look into if you guys have any recommendations of artists that won't like copyright strike me, then definitely recommend it to me. I would like to, make the stream more quality, like the audio, because obviously the noise that you're hearing right now is the freaking air conditioner, which is not pleasant. Kevin won't copyright. Who's Kevin? Also, can you tell me why most people use the name index.js? Well, index, it's just a convention. Like, you don't have to use index. A lot of people do it because people have always been using for a while. And, technically index refers to, like, the main portion of the application. So that's why they use index.js. But you don't have to. But it's referred to as the main file. NCS. Alright, let me look up some NCS. I gotta make a playlist though. I'm listening to Juice WRLD right now, in case you guys were wondering. JSX is JavaScript extension. It's for React. So it's like HTML, but it's not. It allows you to embed JavaScript inside HTML technically. Have you ever tried using Vim? Yes, I use Vim whenever I need to, what's it called? Edit files on my server. How are you going to add commands to a React app? So Wicked Piglet, the way it works is the React app is just a user interface that is going to interact with the backend API. And the backend API is what's going to actually change the commands or change the prefix or configure like the guild stuff. Okay, so what I just did is I created a couple components. I have the guild menu container because again I don't want to keep everything inside just one component. So this is just going to be the page itself, and then we're going to have the container, and then the container is going to hold all of these menu item elements, okay? So we're going to be doing a lot of props. Apparently someone leaked DinoBot's token. Damn. That sucks. By someone, do you mean someone who probably worked for Dino or worked with Dino on the bot? It was probably someone that worked with Dino. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Basically, menu page is going to fetch data from our API. Let me see if I can set up a fake API right now. Is it easy for you to create a Discord bot in a few hours? I mean, I could, depends on what the bot does. If it's like a simple bot, then yeah, I could definitely create it in a couple hours. Alright, let's see how this looks like. Awesome. Excuse me. Okay, cool. Let me set the color to white. So this can, okay, cool. So we have all of our guilds. So now we just need to make it look like this. Okay. So with the page itself, the page is just like the main page. The menu, we're not really going to do so much styling with the main page. The menu container is what we're going to actually need to style. So right over here, this is a flex box, so we can do things like justify content center. So that should technically center it. For some reason it's not. Not sure why. But I know for a fact that I can change the flex direction to column. There we go. And then inside guild menu item, I can change the justify content to space between. For some reason it's not, so I have to look into that with 100%. Let's set the width of this to 100% as well. Alright, so let's do this. So we have our main page, and we have our guild menu container. So I think what I'll do is I'll go inside guild menu container. I'm just going to do an index.css for all of these CSS's. So get rid of this. Class name, guild menu container. Yo, what's up, Alfnet? How are you? How's it going? Oh, wait. Okay, there we go. That's much better. I'm doing good, man. Doing good. Sure why. It's quite annoying. Oh, it's because these are actual divs. Let's try this. There we go. Okay, awesome. So now that we know how these things look like, we need to make it look like this. So the container is going to hold all these items. So we need to make sure this itself is gray. What's what? What's what? Oh, this is the menu dashboard. So these are all going to be guilds that the user is in with the bot, or it's going to be guilds that they have the permission for to invite the bot, and we're going to let them configure whatever guild they want with whatever bot, with the bot that they have invited to the server. Okay. I think the container I want it to be 80% instead. Yeah, the 80% is right. That's strange. Do margin 0 auto. Top. Picks. There we go, perfect. Border radius 25 pixels. Or actually, we don't need this. This is what we need. Okay. Perfect. Still not a fan of space around. Should be space between. Perfect. There we go. Awesome. We're gonna change the font size to 30 pixels. Yup. Perfect. Okay. So we have the background. Now we just need the text over here, or this wrapper. So I think inside we're gonna have like this. We're gonna have another box. Yeah, I'm doing some CSS right now. So this is gonna be a box, and this box is going to have this color. Why do you like to use CSS instead of style sheet from React? Do you mean, why do I like to use an external style sheet instead of internal, like inline? Because it makes everything more organized, in my opinion. I want to keep the component separate from the CSS. And maybe I might want to reuse the CSS too, so it'll be a lot easier. So this is going to be box A. Class name. Guild item. Guild details box. Wrapper. I'll call it a wrapper instead. So this is going to contain the name and the 2 buttons, or one of 2 buttons. So let's try this. And then we'll have 2 buttons. Or maybe a flex. There we go. Should actually be a flex instead. Yep. Should be space between. %. Perfect. Center. Not really a fan of that. Padding though. Maybe get rid of this padding. I'll do padding top right 0, and we'll do 25 pixels. There we go. Give it some padding from here and there. And we need a border radius as well. Do 25 pixels. Yep, looks good. And we'll do margin top and bottom. We'll do maybe 10 pixels. Left and right 0 pixels. Yep. Okay. Now inside the wrapper, we need to give it a background color of C4, C4, C4. Or maybe try a different color. CE. Okay, there we go, you see it? Alright, so now we just need to actually... I could change the height a little bit. Height is to 50 pixels. But that's not really going to do much. Because I want to make sure this is in the center. So what I could do is first let me give this border radius 25 pixels as well. Let's see. Height 8% maybe? Yeah. Not really too much of a fan of doing that though. It's hard coding. There we go. What's up, Epic? What's up, Yukus? I don't know how to pronounce your name. Yeah, I have my mic muted, by the way. Discord guard bot is there in your hand. What do you mean? Yo, what's up, Freak? How's it going? Yo, what's up, Pokemon leader? How are you? I'm doing good, man. Just working on my React dashboard for Discord bots. Yup, just continuing with yesterday. Well, I mean, there's no such thing as a short tutorial for something like this. You can see how long that it takes me to usually do something like this. It'll probably be, it'll probably be a tutorial series composed of a bunch of short episodes, sure. But it's not going to be a quote-unquote short tutorial, because something like this takes a lot of time to really get into. And if I were to make it short, there would be a lot of jump cuts, and obviously I wouldn't want to do that because there would be a lot of important things left out. So I'd like to make, I would say, a somewhat short episode-based series, maybe like 10 minutes per episode that covers the basics of everything, and then compile everything together into a series. Maybe max, like, I would say it should take about 5, 6, 7, 8 episodes maybe. Yo, what's up, What's up, Mersaz? How are you, man? I like your styling, really nice. Yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate it. I'm trying. Cool. I can't wait until it's out, and good luck. Thank you. TypeScript stream when? Maybe in my next project when I'm working on another React app, I'll probably use TypeScript with React maybe. Yeah, it's called Figma. Figma, Figma. Sure. NCS Music, yeah. I've been looking into it. I definitely will next time. I'll just do that now, to be honest with you. Yo, what's up, Mask? Yo, I'm glad to hear that, man. I'm glad. Thank you so much for letting me know about that.
Shadow, but felt the glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven, it found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. My best friend to 23. I heard the heavens crying above me. They gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell instead of death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me through. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go.
I'll be recommending you to everyone I know who's interested in starting to learn. Definitely happy for all of them. Yeah, yo, I appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man. Yo, Shiloh K, how are you? What's up?
I lost my best friend.
I'm good, thank you, man.
Oh my God.
Hey, Code in Java, WebSocket.
I need my best friend.
I am making a simple React dashboard for my Discord bot. Hello, nice music. Thank you, man. It's NCS. Can you make a Minecraft self-hosted store? What do you mean by Minecraft self-hosted store? What is a JSX? JSX is JavaScript extension. It's for React. I've never heard of Bycraft before, but I'll look into it later. Watching him speed code is so satisfying. You know, it'd be more satisfying if you can hear my keyboard, but I'm muting my mic because my air conditioner is so loud. Why does it say connect to Discord? That's just my Discord VS Code plugin. Hey, does your DMs open? They're actually closed at the moment. Why? The extension is called Rich Presence. Yeah, Discord Rich Presence on Visual Studio Code. I can't pay attention long enough to code this fast. I finished my blackjack command on my bot. That's good. 460 lines? I would have to see the code to see if the 460 lines would be needed. But I don't think 460 lines is needed though. Well, I would have to see it first before making a judgment. But good, man. That's good. I'm glad you were able to get through that. We need to worry about fixing this later, because it breaks the responsiveness, so we'll fix that later. How do you upload localhost to website? What do you mean? What do you mean by that?
Before you go to sleep, keep on our shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. I'll see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't played with my head, guilty free in my bed. So used to being forsaken, go out my own now. Feels like home in our ruins. Followed you into the night, couldn't let you leave once you leave. Oh, nothing less come daylight, come daylight.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself, there's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last. It might take some time, but I'll be alright. I'm moving on, moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on, I'm moving on. Moving on, moving on.
Won't you take me to that place? Take me to that place. Won't you take me to that place? Won't you take me to that place? Won't you take me there, man? Because you said enough, you said enough, you said enough. Because you said enough, you said enough.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Better off. I am wicked, you're insane. But I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance. Pound for pound, we're a perfect match. Pulling punches, or toe to toe, we're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together, we're better off. And we can. Better off, better off. Better and your clean cuts. I'm wide-eyed, your eyes are shut. If I'm knocked out, we'll go the distance. Pound for pound, we're a perfect match. Pulling punches, or toe-to-toe, we're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
It's called Figma. It's a good program for designing user interfaces. Yo, what's up, Cyx? How are you going? Yeah, I used to use Adobe XD, but someone suggested this, so I figured I'd use this one. What time is it for you, Cyx? $9 AM. Where are you from? So what I want to do with this page, this is going to be the dashboard page. So it's going to look like Mi 6's. I'll show you guys. So it's going to look something like this, not exactly like it, but something like it. And what I want to do is when you hover over it, it's going to give you the nice effect. So that's our main goal right now. Israel, nice, nice. Far, but nice. Does it generate styles in HTML for you? Yeah, it's just, no it doesn't. It's just for a reference. That'd be cool though. Yo, Crins. Yo, thank you so much for donating $2, man. I appreciate it. Don't eat my cat. Don't worry, I won't. But yeah, thank you for the donation. Really appreciate it. Yo, what's up, Pablo? How are you? Okay, so yeah, that's the next step for the dashboard. So I guess we can do that, and then I'll do some. Maybe if I have some time, I'll do some backend, because right now this is all mock data. Are you also streaming in Twitch? I'm not. I kind of want to. But I'm not sure if I should go to Twitch just yet. The reason why I stream on YouTube is because I already have like my main audience here already, so it'd be a lot easier. And plus, a lot of the coding streams that I do in here would be beneficial to be uploaded as a VOD over here. So I could do that on Twitch, I think, but yeah, I'm terrible with CSS. Was crossing my fingers here. Yeah, honestly, I really don't like CSS that much. Well, actually, I actually learned to like it, to be honest with you. Like, I'm not that good with it. Like, I'm still learning some fundamentals and principles. But I think once you get the hang of it, it becomes very, very fun to play around with. Like, for example, all of this stuff I built with custom CSS except for the buttons, but the buttons could have easily been built with CSS. But these dots are going to be the guild icon. We don't have the data yet. We're going to have to do backend programming to fetch the data later. So we'll worry about that later though. But I'm gonna worry about the dashboard right now. So the dashboard is gonna basically have these cards that I just designed over here, and we're going to bring in those icons. Okay, so let's do that. So let's see. I think we're doing a good job right now with designing our user interface. I'm really happy with the way this looks. Actually, it doesn't look that bad compared to the original design. But of course there could be some improvements, so we'll worry about that later though. Yo, Master Vazi, what's up, man? I never really understood what div is for HTML. A div, all it is, it's a block level element, and it's basically like a container to hold stuff together. That's all it is. It's like a parent element that holds a bunch of different HTML elements like h1 tags, paragraph tags, even other divs as well. So think of it like that. Okay? Okay. Alright, so how do I want to do this? Dashboard page, dashboard roots. Oh, excuse me. Which keyboard do you have? I have a Ducky 1.2 Mini 60% keyboard. RGB. I have issues with understanding positioning. I use the CSS trick sites a lot. Yeah, positioning is very tricky. I usually just use Flexbox if I want something that's super responsive, and then if I need something that needs to stay in place, I use Position Absolute. And CSS Tricks is a very good website. Excuse me. What would be the best way to learn more HTML? The best way would be to create your own HTML pages and then practicing all of the different HTML tags that they have. So if you go to w3schools.com, excuse me. If you go to w3schools.com, click on Learn HTML, you can go through all of the different tags and what they do. HTML, all it is just the content of the web page. You need to typically learn HTML in parallel with CSS, in my opinion, to really understand, like, you know, web design, in my opinion. But if you're just doing, like, if you just want to get better HTML, just play around with the tags and see what they do and think about how you could possibly use them. I think maybe the hardest part is just the CSS part. Trying to make a middle section of my header stick in place when scrolling with Flex, but it always pushes my header items. Yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about. Usually what I do, I had that same problem too with this. So if I resize this, these items get pushed out. So what I do is I actually use a media query. So let me see if I can pull that up. So if you look over here, it pushes everything out, as you can see, which is bad. So instead what I do is I use a media query for max height, and so when it reaches this height, the height of this box is 600. Though I could make it a little bit larger, maybe 700 pixels. So you can see like that. And I can also increase this as well to make it go like that. So when it goes here, there we go, perfect. So now I can scroll and it'll look perfectly fine. Sorry, just super tired. Not tired, but my mind's telling me that I'm ready to sleep soon. Let me see. Yeah, no problem. Do you have a video of Liz talking about your favorite online resources for programming and development? I haven't made a video like that yet, but I do want to make something like that in the future, though. Sayami, what's up? Amazing. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm just trying to make it look semi-decent, or as decent as I can. I think it looks alright for now, but I want to improve it a little bit more. So, let me see, with... There we go. ASMR? You think so? I didn't know people would find an air conditioner sound so appealing. If you say so, though. If you say so. I also want to do this. No, wait. I don't really like how the color itself looks though. It's pretty ugly, if I'm being honest. feel like it could be better. Well, I was wondering why the same song was playing in the background for the past like 10 minutes. It turns out this playlist has the same song added like 5 times. I have no idea why, but let me change the music. Oh, there we go, that should be better. Alright, let's see what this... Alright, you can see that I can get the URL. Perfect. Params. Niche. Imagine I donate 25 euros right now. That'd be awesome. You don't have to, but that would be awesome. Wait, why do you have 3K subs and 10 people watching though? I mean, I think that's just normal, to be honest. Like you'll see a lot of people who have like millions of subs, but when they're streaming, they only get like 10,000 subscribers. So if you compare the ratio, so like let's say for example, if someone with like 1 million subs gets only like about 1,000 subs, I mean 1,000 viewers. That's like a 0.001%. So well, that's actually a 0.1%. So for me, I have, let's say, 3.87 and 10, 3, 8, 0. It's like about the same percentage. Well, I mean, in my case, my percentage is a lot higher, so. But that's just how it is. A lot of people just subscribe. And, yeah, I don't know. That's just how it is. And I'm a big fan. Yo, I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much, SB Knight. Ice Cedar TM. How's it going? How are you? How do I apply for mod in your server? Well, when what's it called? When mod applications go up, you can apply. At the moment we're not looking for mods because we just picked 3 already. But we're always looking to expand our team in the future. So if you stick around and if you help the people in the community and if you are nice and respectful to other people, and if we see that you would be a good fit, we'll say, hey, look, you should apply. But I can definitely tell you that the best way to always get mod is to like never ask for it. I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about just in general, because a lot of people do that. They ask for mod and it kind of just automatically disqualifies them. But I'm not talking about you. I know you're just asking on how to apply, but I'm saying in a general perspective. Anson, how would I make a web dashboard for my bot? Well, first you need to make sure your Discord bot is connected to a database, and then make sure you have a web API that's set up, so that way your web app can connect to that web API and make requests. So the dashboard is going to allow you to change like configurations and update stuff for your bot. I can hear your PC noise. That's not my PC, by the way. That's my air conditioner. Just letting you guys know. I should probably put a disclaimer. Let me do that. I gotta go. Good luck with the web. Alright, yeah. See ya, man. See ya, Pablo. Following you from Iraq. Can I use Express to make Discord dashboard? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Your Discord server's pretty big, dude. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty big. I only have like 30 people in mind. I mean, at some point I did have only 30 people. But you just gotta keep growing it. You just gotta find a way and keep growing it. I actually really like the last song. I'm gonna play it again. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Awesome. So this is going to be the page that we're going to use to take care of managing the guild configuration. So the guild configuration is going to be a bunch of properties that define how our bot behaves based on the guild. Play this wave music, Gegs Boys. So let me look that up. I don't know what that means, but alpha waves. I don't even know what that means. I just looked it up on YouTube and nothing popped up. React is very smooth. I like it a lot. Okay, so when we click on this, it's going to take us to command/moderation. Okay, awesome. And I'm going to have to set up another page. So we're going to have another page right over here. How long I've been coding JavaScript? Actively, 2 years. I started back in 2017. I did only for like about a couple months, and I took a break. But then 2018 is when I've been doing it every single day. So yeah, for a while. Yeah, you're a newbie. I've been there too. So. How long ago did you start? How long ago did you start? I don't like this song. $20.90, okay. I mean that's still very short, to be honest. It really depends, like if you're a fast learner, if you're a slow learner. depending on how fast you go, you still got a long way to go, so. I don't know what that is. I googled it. Nothing popped up from it. Just search it. Yeah, I did. I searched on YouTube and nothing popped up from it. I don't know what it is. I'm really liking this dashboard. We need to get some backend stuff going on. Otherwise, this is going to be useless. We'll learn about that last, though. Relaxing music for coding. Oh, I think I know what you're talking about. I don't want to get copyright claimed, though. That's the main thing. I don't want to, like, the reason why I don't play music usually is I don't want to get claims. That's why I'm only playing NCS music right now. Yeah, if this was Twitch, I would probably just play whatever I want because, you know, I don't really care if I get copyright claimed on Twitch. I might honestly start streaming on Twitch, though. I think I would probably have a better time streaming on Twitch, in my opinion. I think it's more fun probably streaming on Twitch, too. Well, I don't know, maybe. I kind of broke my bot. Make a gaming channel? I should make a gaming channel. What kind of game should I play? I do actually have a gaming channel. I just don't post on it. I'm gonna be right back real quick. Alright, I'm back, sorry. Just had to use the bathroom. Roblox? I've never played Roblox before. I would probably play Minecraft, City Skylines, maybe GTA. I don't know, to be honest. I'm not really much of a gamer anymore. When I was younger, I used to play a lot more games, but I don't know. Maybe mostly Minecraft. I would probably play mostly Minecraft, maybe. Can I be mod? Depends. What kind of qualifications do you have? Apex? I don't play Apex, unfortunately. I've played it once. But that was it. What do you guys think about Fortnite? I'm bad at it. I haven't played shooter games in a while. Anson, start? Start what? Gaming? Gaming channel? No, to stream? Oh. Well, I mean, the stream is still on. I'm just taking a little break. I've been coding for the past 2 hours. I'm about to get back into it though. So, I need to design a couple more pages actually. Oh my god, this song is so bad. Can you help me and my bot by joining my team making a big bottle of stuff? Please help me. I need help in many places. Unfortunately I can't join your team. But if you need help, we can help you with certain parts of your bot. If you need help. Play some NCS. Yeah, this is NCS by the way. This is all NCS. Anson, nice website. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I'm trying. I don't know if I should start on the back end now, to be honest. Because we really do need to get a back end going. Is Me6's, let me see Me6's dashboard again. Okay. Me6 does have a nice, really nice dashboard. Yeah, this is all fake data right now. We gotta connect it to the backend, so I think maybe I'll do that first. Alright, let me see something real quick. Yep, this is all React. It definitely is possible. What's the easiest way to make a web dashboard? Well, there's really no easy way, because there's a lot of stuff they have to do, like the login system, everything. So I wouldn't want to say it's the, you know, I wouldn't want to say like what's the easiest way, but you know, let's get the AC. I'm gonna take a little break. I'm gonna play some. I'm just reading some documentation right now. But I'm really happy with how this dashboard turned out. Really happy with it. But in your reference, what would be good? I would say learn React, learn Express, and then learn how to connect both of those things together, and then learn how to do things like authentication, session store. It's gonna take a while because there's a lot to learn, but it's worth it in the end if you go about it that way. Yep. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. Everyone's always asking for dashboards, and I really want to make the tutorial, but it's gonna, I know if I make it, it's gonna take so long. Do I have a series on this? I don't, unfortunately. I do have a series that shows you how to use Discord OAuth 2, so you can go ahead and check that out, which is the Express part, and you can learn from it. Yeah, of course you can connect using Vue, of course. I used to do a little HTML CSS. I'm now pretty good at JSON Discord. That's good. Yeah, you made a lot of progress simply. Dashboard is really hard. Well, I wouldn't say it's hard. I would say that it just takes a lot of time. You know what I mean? But yes, you can use React, Vue, Angular. It doesn't matter. You can use whatever you want to build your user interface. It doesn't matter. Alright, SB Knights, have a good one, man. I appreciate the nice comment. Have a good one. Good luck. Any ideas for commands? Well, what kind of bot are you trying to make? Why don't any bot like Dynamusics have app for phones? Yeah, that's true. Well, I guess they don't. I guess it's too much work for them. I guess maybe that's probably why. Mod and fun. Maybe like bulk delete command. Bulk delete command. Temp mute. Cooldowns. Try those. Did not take. Yeah, I did. if you want to learn how to do it, you can. I have a video on my channel that shows you how to customize your Windows terminal if you want to check it out. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't be able to answer on their behalf. Do I use MongoDB? I have used MongoDB before. So yes. Ahmed, what's up? How are you? How's it going? You should have set a thumbnail for your stream, yeah. Skater, what's up? How are you? I'm doing good, man. Thank you. I don't know, I'm too lazy to make thumbnails. If I plan it like, you know, a day ahead of time, I'll make a thumbnail, but if it's like, you know, 3-minute planning, then I'll just like say screw it. If people want to watch, they're more than welcome to. If they don't, then, you know, they can always rewatch the VOD if they want. Alright, so we're using Nest.js for the backend. So the backend, the first step that we're going to do is to set the... Well, we need to install our dependencies first, so I should probably do that. What's going on over here? Hopefully there won't be any issues when I run my app. Alright, awesome. I think it's working just fine. What port is it running on? 3000. Oh, that's gonna... Wait, I'm surprised that even works because we're running this on port 3000. That's very weird. How do you have tabs in your terminal? If you do Control T, it's gonna open up a new tab. This is Windows Terminal, by the way. Awesome. Windows Terminal or PowerShell, or is that the same thing? So the PowerShell, so there's a PowerShell application, and then there's the Windows Terminal application. So the Windows Terminal application runs a PowerShell. So the shell itself is the same thing, but the actual application, the actual window program itself, those are different things. You can install the Windows Terminal if you go to Microsoft Store and just type in Windows Terminal, and you can just install it from there. Yup, no problem. Yo, what's up, Gems? How are you? I'm doing good. Thank you so much for asking. Shribi, what's up, man? Welcome back to the stream. Yeah, we're continuing with the website. I think since you've missed it, I'll show you what I've been doing for the past couple hours. So we have the menu page. I don't know if you were here yesterday when we designed it, but this was the design. The buttons, I'm gonna have to add the buttons, but yeah, that's how it looks like. The circles are the guild icons. And when you click on dashboard, it's going to bring you to this dashboard over here. And then you can click on this or this, and it'll take you to the correct page. So that's pretty cool. Right now, I'm working on the backend, so I'm taking a break from React, and I'm working on the backend, so connecting both of the applications together. Yeah, I'm very excited. I'm gonna be on for another hour, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. But I'm gonna be streaming again tomorrow, so yeah. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Yes, I'm using Passport. That's correct. That is correct. Nice, really good. Yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, I mean the air conditioner is like right next to my room, so unfortunately you guys are going to hear it when I have it on. Cool. Yo, what's up, Yadibo? How are you, man? Brings back old YouTube memories where every video had this background noise. Yeah, I remember those days. That was when everyone had a terrible microphone. Oh, by the way, Yadibo, I was showing them earlier the awesome logo that you made, and everyone loved it. It looks really cool. Though I'm still not sure how I should incorporate this into the website, but I'll find a way. Either way, it doesn't really matter because it looks awesome. So I think wherever I put it, it's just going to look good. No, Yadibolt made it. Yeah, I agree. It's a very good logo. It's broken in the middle. I could probably fix that easily. It's not letting me move it freely, but I can probably easily fix that. Should be an easy fix. Yeah, it looks really cool. I like it. Yeah, imported from Adobe Illustrator, yes. That's why? Ah, I see. Okay, I'll download the PNG file then instead. Especially the orange over dark nav bar, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I honestly really like the orange. Like, honestly, I think this might actually be our organization's colors, in my opinion. I might actually change some stuff up. So I might probably fix some stuff with the main website. Maybe add some orange. I'll play around with it. I'll see. We'll have to play around with it and see what's up. But I really do like the orange though. Yeah, it's like really good. Am I using OBS? No, I'm using Streamlabs. Well, Streamlabs OBS, so... I originally was using OBS, but then someone told me to switch to Streamlabs because it has alerts and stuff, so I was like, okay, sure. Sure. Turn on noise gate. Oh yeah, that is true. I could do that. Let me try that. Like, you will still hear it. It's just you won't hear it if I'm not talking. Alright, test 1, 2, 3. Alright, you guys should still be able to hear the air conditioner, but at least if I'm not talking, you won't be able to hear it. Or if I type like ridiculously loud. Yeah, I should have done that a lot sooner. Yeah, thanks for suggesting that, Tanver. Oh really? Oh wow. Let me see if I can, let me listen to it. Let me. I want me test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. I want me test 1, 2, 3. Test. No, that air conditioner is so relaxing, you guys. Some people actually really like that noise. I can't stand it. Yeah, you guys, I can still hear the air conditioner in the background, only when I'm talking though. What time zone am I in? I am in Eastern Standard Time. Oh, it's echoing because I'm listening to myself talking. But I am muted it again. Okay. Alright, I gotta go to discord.com and get my credentials. The name of the song is called Convex Home Soon. I'll send you a link if you guys want. Here you go. Probably should hide the environment variables. Yeah, I know. The only environment variable that I'm putting in here is the ID. I already have the client secret hidden in my actual system environment variables. That's the important part. Like, anyone can get access to the client ID because that's just the bot ID. Same thing with the redirect URL. These two I'm not concerned about. The only thing that I'm worried about hiding is the client secret, which I already have it hidden already. You should make a video on how to host a bot 24/7. Tanver, I actually have about 4 videos showing how to do that. I have one that shows you how to use Heroku. And I have one that shows how to use a virtual private server. If you want, I can link it to you. Let me find the playlist for you. It should be inside this playlist if you want to check it out. Do you plan on making this a video? Yes. Do you have a video on how to host a bot? It's me, Nick. Yes, I do. I actually do. It's on my channel. Using her. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Not. You said VPS. Yeah, never mind. I mean, well, it's the same thing. It's the same concept. If you want to host a bot on a VPS with Python, you just have to install Python on the virtual private server, and then you just have to run a command. I mean, I could make a quick video on it. It would take like, it would be like a 30-second video. I should do it. Maybe. Maybe. I don't like this song. Let me change the song.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before.
You always want what you can't have, and why? Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby. 125 in the middle of the night, got my engine thunder.
Any chance of getting a video on how to build a web scraper using Node? I'm currently struggling with paginated websites.
I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's slow this down.
The thing with web scraping, I personally don't like web scraping because it's against websites TOS. Not every, but some. Because some websites would rather you use their API instead of web scraping. That's why I never really use web scraping. So that's one of the reasons why I never web scrape. In terms of videos though, I don't know, maybe. I might make my own, like maybe I'll make my own website and scrape it. That could be a possibility, but yeah. Is there a command on how to make it go forever? What do you mean go forever? You run the Discord bot and then it'll be up 24/7. Once your server crashes or if your bot crashes, then it'll be offline. What's a web scraper? It's basically just a script that allows you to navigate to a web page and then select certain pieces of information within HTML elements that you want. Alright, cool. Thanks for the TL. Yeah. That's one of the main reasons why I never scrape. I just always use the API first. Because if they don't have an API, it's very likely they don't want you taking their data. So that's something to look out for. I mean, I don't know what the chances of you getting actually sued or having legal actions taken against you, but you never want to take those risks. Because you never know. Can you upload this on your GitHub? I will at some point. It's a great area to work, yeah. I know what video you could do next. If it doesn't hurt anyone, it's likely that something will happen. But if you're making money, yeah, most of the time. If you're making money off of it, then yes, they will probably want to press legal charges against you. Is there any way to create a autobot that auto-type notes so we don't have to type it every time? Oh, yes. Tanvir, yeah. Like Shubi said, download something called NodeMon. You can make a video on how to make your own Gmail service. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Email service? Or what do you mean Gmail service, or do you mean like your own email service? I've never done something like that before, so I'd have to try it out first. NodeMon.
All the choices you made, did you make?
Can you give me a quick guide to the project? Well, it's just a Discord dashboard. That's really it. So, like, the user's gonna log in. They're gonna see this page, click on this, and they're gonna have these two things over here. Yes, you need a database. Do you know of any editing thing that I can SSH into with my stuff? I don't, unfortunately. Hey, a quick question. I'm currently working as a contractual hire in a company. I was expecting role on that work. But all I do at my place of work is QA. I feel stuck. So, QA quality. What is a quality assurance, right? Isn't that? Don't you just do a lot of testing and stuff? Testing. Like a lot of code testing. I'm not too sure what QAs do. That's why I'm asking, so I can get a better understanding of like your situation. How did you learn coding? I learned it through university, but most of it was self-taught. So I went to university. We needed to. I completed a computer science degree, and obviously, when you do a computer science degree, you have to do a lot of programming. So, aren't you hired, Anson? Yes, I'm. If you mean if I'm employed, yes, I'm employed. I work full time right now. Quality issue. Okay, so here's my opinion. Okay, first you have to ask yourself. First, you have to ask yourself, how did you get that position? Right? You have to ask yourself, okay, why is it that I was able to get this position, but I wasn't able to get some other position? Right? So, for example, let's just say, picture me in this scenario where I am working at McDonald's. Okay? Now, this is not this is not your situation, but this is a comparison. Not comparison, but an analogy. So let's say if I'm working at McDonald's, right? And let's say I really hate the job so much, I gotta ask myself, how did I get in this position in the first place? Is it because I don't have a college degree? Is it because I don't have a high school degree? What is my situation? Okay, so it turns out the reason why I work at McDonald's is because it could be there could be all types of reasons. One, it could either be because I got fired from my other job and I'm too lazy to find another job, so I decided to work at McDonald's. Or it could just be that I don't have a higher enough education to get the job at a corporate level for like a large company. In your situation, if you're working as a QA analyst, you have to ask yourself, okay, if I want to switch from a QA quality assurance to, let's say, front end or back end development, you have to ask yourself, do you have the skills that can back up yourself when you go and apply for these jobs? So you said build small demo apps to showcase to customers and do a lot of testing. So if you feel like you have the skills of whatever job you want to get, if you feel confident enough, then you just gotta go for it. So let's say, for example, if you want to work as a backend developer, you're going to need to have a lot of different backend projects on your resume, on your portfolio. So when the recruiter, when they ask you, hey, look, what kind of projects have you worked on? You'll tell me, I've worked on this kind of project, I've worked on that, I've worked on this and that. You show it to them, they'll take a look at it, and they will make a decision. So I'm not saying just quit, because I'm not going to say to someone, just quit. Because I have to know what your skills are. I have to know whether or not you have the skills to go to whatever positions you want to get. It's kind of like saying, imagine if I'm a software engineer and if I want to work at, I don't know, Starbucks. Actually, let's think of a better comparison. Let's say if I'm a software engineer and I want to work as an accountant, right? Even though maybe I don't like software engineer. Maybe I prefer working as an accountant. But the question is, do I have the skills of an accountant to actually go to that working field? And the answer to that is no, I don't. So I can't just jump from being a software engineer to an accountant because I don't have those skills. But what you can do is you can work towards those skills, you can develop those skills, you can adapt, and you can learn those skills. So that's my suggestion, is figure out what type of job you actually want and ask yourself if you have those skills. And if you don't, well, there's many ways that you can acquire those skills. You can learn them by building projects, creating a bunch of different apps that you want, and then over time you'll have a portfolio that you can showcase to other people. And then you can start applying for a bunch of different jobs here and there and then see what works out for you. So you a full-time dev? Yes, I am a full-time developer. It's me, Nick. Have I ever thought about making a game? Yes, I really want to make a game, but right now I don't have the passion in me to learn Unity or any game engine or a game development in general. So that's gonna take a very long time for me to actually do that. But it is something that I have been thinking about, but not something that I'm super passionate about right now. Who knows, maybe 10 years from now, I'll probably get into game dev. I'm making a game, but my friend who was gonna code just went away. Wow. Just build JS-based web game. That'd be like the slowest web game ever. We have some story plot ready, but no color code or dev. If I were to make a game, I would probably build some kind of simulation game. I really like simulators. Maybe I would create a game that I don't know, maybe something like Sims. Not like Sims, but something based off of it, maybe. I really like games like those. They're lots of fun. I really appreciate the honest response. I started at my company as an intern for a dev role and got assigned a QA role. But I'll focus more on building good projects. Thanks, man. Yeah, no problem, man. And the fact that you have skills already seems like you already have skills in coding. I don't think that you suck at coding, and I don't think that you're unqualified. Perhaps you have to ask yourself, how did you get into that QA role? Is it because you lack the skills, or is it because you just aren't there yet? So you gotta figure out what you're good at and what you aren't good at, and you just have to work on the things that you aren't good at. I built Flappy Bird in like 4 hours as my final project in graduation year, and the teacher was like, "You made this? Damn, that's crazy." I remember back in 2015, that was when Flappy Bird came out. Or I think it was 2014. I don't remember. Everyone was like so hyped over Flappy Bird in my school. Yeah, welcome back, Scythe. I was so embarrassed to send it, but I had enough. I was tired from that school. Yeah, I don't blame you. Damn, this song. Let me find some more NCS music to play. I want something peaceful, like something peaceful. Let me try NCS House. Let's see, hopefully something's good. Do I know Lua? I don't know Lua. Lo-fi? I don't want to get copyrighted, bro. I played Lo-fi one time, and I got copyrighted. That's why I'm only playing NCS. I got a 12 out of 10 on my computer assessment last year because the teacher actually gave me marks for both questions. Like, I'll do this either. Can I send you one mix? Yeah, sure. Are all of your videos voiceovers? What do you mean by voiceovers? Oh, so like if I record it and then talk? No, I record it like on the go. I press record and I just go straight in. Is this non-copyrighted music? I have to be very careful with the songs that I play because I don't want to get copyrighted. But I might switch to Twitch. I might switch to Twitch. Switch to Twitch. So that way I can just play whatever I want and not worry about copyright music. Do you guys really think I should switch to Twitch? You guys really think I should? Switch to Twitch. How does one cache responses to prevent hitting a URL? So Phoenix, what you do is, well, it depends. If you're hitting an external API from the backend, what you do is you want to take the response and then cache it by placing it in a map or putting it in Redis. And then you want to map some kind of key to it so you know which request that you made gets that response back. And then you can leave it there for like an hour maybe. Twitch still copyrights you, yeah, I know. But I don't really care about getting copyright on Twitch for now, at least, because, you know, I mean, the thing is with Twitch, you mostly make money from subs and donations, to be honest with you. Like, ad review is probably like the last thing that you make money off of if you're a streamer. Because no one really watches the well, okay, so let me put it this way. Let me put it this way. If people click on your stream, the first time they click on it, they're going to get an ad that pops up. And when they are watching the stream, when the ad is playing, I'm pretty sure you're still going to get money. The only time they actually copyright it is when the stream is done. When the VOD is up, that's when they copyright it. So, honestly, I don't think anyone really sits through Twitch VODs. I mean, I'm sure some people do, but I don't think anyone would want to switch to my Twitch VOD and watch, like, me writing code. I mean, maybe, you know, some people might, but I don't know. But I wouldn't really mind if I got copyrighted, to be honest with you. Like the reason why I stream is because I just want to, you know, just chill. I just want to code, interact with people, that's it. So yeah, I'll probably make a poll. You know, I'll make a poll on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, and then you guys can vote. And if you guys think that it's a good idea to switch to Twitch, then I'll consider it. I'm not saying I will, but I will consider it. Or maybe I'll switch it up because, I don't know, I really care more about my YouTube channel right now, so I want to grow that out as much as I can. But I don't know, maybe I can do both. Maybe I can do YouTube and Twitch. It would be better if I could just stream on both though. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, Twitch platform is pretty corrupt. Like, Twitch is a good platform, but it is pretty corrupt in my opinion. Excuse me. Alright, if you guys want, let me get you guys my Twitch link real quick so you guys can go follow it. I haven't streamed on my Twitch channel for so long, so the last time I streamed on this channel, I was playing Cities Skylines like 2 years ago. There you go, that's my Twitch if you guys want to go follow it. Go the coding. What does Coding Garden do? I could stream. I can use Streamlabs on Twitch and I can use OBS on YouTube. I could possibly do that. it would probably eat up all my RAM, but I wouldn't mind because it's like, you know, I'm just coding, so it's not like a huge deal. I mean, once I get, okay, I think what I'm gonna do is once I get my new PC, is Restream good? I was thinking about it. I looked it up yesterday, but is Restream actually good? If it's actually good, then I'll consider doing it. Okay, I'm gonna get it then. It's free, right? Alright, awesome. I'll probably do that tomorrow, or I mean today, later today, if I stream again. Alright then, I'm gonna start streaming on my Twitch channel then. I'm excited. Never thought I would say that I'd be excited to stream on my Twitch channel, but hey. We're making progress. Barely any good features are on their premium, so I believe it's quite fair. Okay. Do they have alerts, like donation alerts? If they don't have like donation alerts, then I definitely don't want to use it. But if they do, then I'll definitely use it. Do I want card design? Sure. Ah, so I'd have to stream on both maybe. Yeah, damn, that sucks. You know what I'll do? Maybe later this week, I'll probably try to stream on both Twitch and I'll try to use both OBS and Streamlabs OBS. Because I want to make sure I have alerts, like, you know, I want to make sure I have like follow alerts, subscriber alerts, things like that. Yeah, I figured. Yeah, because right now I'm using OBS. I think alerts are good, but I don't know. That's just my opinion. If you switch to Restream, you just stream to their platform and they distribute it to YouTube and Streamlabs. So oh, okay. Alright, Phoenix, have a good one, man, and good luck with your career switch, man. Maybe 6 months from now, let me know how things go. Restream plus Streamlabs is a powerful system. The J Dragon, what's up, man? How's it going? Devil for programming, how are you? How old am I? I am 22. Alright, good luck, Romvin plays. Good luck with sequel injected. Did the live finish? No, not yet. I'm still on. Do you advise me to use Discord JS Master? If you want to, you can. It's unstable though, so I wouldn't advise you to use it, but you can if you want to. I'm doing good. Just was a couple of Discord bots and seen that you was live. Oh, great, man! Welcome to the stream. Thanks for help us, Devil. Yeah, no problem, Devil for Programming. So if I would donate 1,000 euros on your stream, would you get to keep all of it? I can't 100% confirm. I do know that. Here's the thing. Okay, so I think this is how it works. If you don't, it depends on how you donate. I think if you donate through Super Chat, I think that gets added to the Google AdSense. I'm not 100% sure. I have to ask. But I think that gets applied to the Google AdSense, which they do take a percentage of. But if you donate through Streamlabs, that goes straight to my PayPal. So hopefully that answers your question. What's up, the Drago? How are you, man? I just changed my name from J Dragon. Oh, that's who you are. I was like, wait, what? Oh, okay. Are you gonna make a tutorial about setting up PM2? I think I've made a video on that before. Can you make a video? How can us make a dashboard Discord JS in my SQL database, please? So here's the thing. Everyone always asks for dashboards, but here's the thing. It would definitely be a video that's going to take about 5 to 10 episodes. It's a lot of work because 1, I need to make sure I have a Discord bot. 2, I need to make sure I have the backend and the front end. 3 as well. I think honestly, I would rather do live streams, to be honest, of just me making dashboards. I think that would be much better if I'm being completely honest. Because it's very hard to condense all of this into one video, because this is a very, very, very hard project. Not hard, but it's very time consuming. So I think what I'll do is I'll probably just do more live streams where I just code dashboards. And I'll announce it ahead of time on when I'm going to do it. Now you're only doing the front end of the dashboard. I'm working on the back end now, actually. I'm working on the back end. I'm not saying that I won't do it, but I'm saying that it's gonna take some time to plan it out, is what I'm saying. And I was planning on doing it, but yeah. I think what I'll do first is okay. So the main problem is I don't have an actual Discord bot right now, so I'll need to get that first, and then I can do a video on it. I think that's understandable. Once I get the Discord bot, it'll be a lot easier. So I'm gonna have to work on that later on in the stream. I'm back. Welcome back, Shribi. Can you make OAuth 2? I do have a playlist on OAuth 2. Okay, thank you. Yeah, no problem. What are we doing? Stream software? No, I'm just chilling. Do I have a Discord server? Yeah, it's in the description. I can see this web dashboard streams a bit more big since it's related to find on YouTube. Yeah, you know, honestly, I'm not saying I'm not saying that I won't make a Discord dashboard tutorial, because I definitely want to. I would like to do that. It's just I don't have a set time on when I'm gonna do it, but I definitely will do it at some point because I know everyone wants them. But that's why I do these streams, so people can, you know, watch and see how it go, and then put the code later on. I will put the code though. You already have a SQL multi-guild? I do actually. The problem is that bot is actually so convoluted. There's so much stuff that's in that bot. I want something simple. I want something simple. Yo, what's up, Vortex? How's it going, man?
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They weigh me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of
I'm doing good, man. Thank you for asking. Welcome to stream. Alright, let me show you guys something real quick. Okay. We're making progress, guys. Okay, so now this is the API right over here. If I go to APIs auth Discord, authorize, bam, perfect. That's exactly what we want. We want to do that, okay? So the next thing that we need to do is we need to put the person into session. I'm gonna head out. It's 3 AM. I hope you have a nice stream. Thank you, Drago. Have a good one, man. Alright, I think this is good progress, honestly. We're doing really well. The only issue that I need to do is I need to actually serialize the user, which I haven't done yet. But it is working just fine, though, surprisingly. We need to set up sessions. That's what we need to do. We need to set up sessions. Because right now, let me see something. Yeah, this thing right here. Did you think about working in Discord? So here's the thing with working at Discord. They actually have very, very, very high requirements. The last time I saw their job postings, they wanted people to have like 6 years of JavaScript development experience. So yeah. How did you do it? Using OAuth 2. So it's a lot. I'm gonna post the code later this week so you guys can take a look at it. But basically we're using Passport to authenticate the user, which takes care of all that for us. But I'm having an issue right now. It seems like it's not activating this thing over here. Telling this validate function. It sucks. But you know why? Because pretty sure if I get rid of this stuff over here, it's gonna throw an error. Yep. Yeah, they have very high requirements. Oh, you know what it is? To actually do this. There we go. Alright, now this works. Perfect. Alright, so the next thing that I need to do is auth service. I need to validate the user. So what I need to do is I need to search the database to see if the user exists. So right now our user was not saved to the database. Yo, Rager Ryolu, how are you? Alright, we've made a lot of progress. Good progress today. We made a lot of good progress with the application. So I'll explain more about this tomorrow, I guess. I don't know if I'm going to be streaming tomorrow. If I stream tomorrow, I'm going to be streaming at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys see if I'm streaming, it'll be around that time. It's 4 a.m. right now. So I need to get some shut-eye. I have a video idea, Electron. Oh yeah, I know about Electron. That would be a good video. It's actually pronounced Ryger. The J pronunciation, not the Y. Oh, okay, Ryger. Ryger. Okay, gotcha. Yes, I'll be streaming tomorrow at 5:30 Eastern Standard Time, 5:30 p.m. For some of you guys, it'll probably be like the day after. So, but yeah, we've made a lot of good progress today. I'm very happy with the dashboard. We're gonna continue with it. Obviously, we got a lot to work on. I'm very excited, and yeah, I'm very excited to continue this project. But yo, Exotic, welcome back to the stream, man. Unfortunately, I'm about to head out. But don't worry, you can always rewatch the VOD if you want. I'm going to be streaming it tomorrow. So, I'm going to put out a poll. Just letting you guys know. I'm going to put out a poll on my channel. So, go ahead and vote. Basically, I'm going to ask if people would rather me stream on YouTube or stream on Twitch. And I'm not going to fully, switch to Twitch. I'm just going to see how it is. And, yeah. So, make sure you go ahead and vote. And I'll take everything into consideration. Anyways, so I'm going to get off, so thank you guys so much for checking out the stream and chatting with me. Really appreciate it. And I will see you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I won't delete the stream. Alright guys, have a good night. Feel free to join the Discord server if you aren't here already. The link is in the description. And I'll see you guys on my next stream. Peace.